Hello everyone. Today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design course by StarAgile, and these are the stats like 120 hours of live training is there, 15 plus industry tools are there, and 4.6 rating on Trustpilot, which is actually very good. And these are the key features, again same. And these are the course content. In 5 modules are there: UX research, tools, AI powered design, introduction to UX design, visual design, UI system, responsive mobile app design, design system. Portfolio is also there, job search is also there, and why it is best. And the fees of this course is 59,999, around 60,000, and it's a bit overpriced. So if we go down, these are the key details about the UI UX and overview, and it's a certificate, why choosers, partners, companies, nothing else. Again, no proper detailing about the tools they are going to teach you. So they didn't mention any tools they are going to teach you, and they mentioned like AI powered design workflow, but they didn't mention like AI tools are included or not, like Figma, Miro, etc. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum is 1, user research is also 1, UI design quality is 0.5 for me, hand-on project is 0.5 for me, tools and software training is 0.5 for me, and mentorship and feedback is 0.5 for me, and portfolio development is there, placement and career support is also there. Course value fees is justified is 1, industry relevance update is 0.5 for me, so it's a 7.5 out of 10. And it's a good course on a beginner level. Like if you want to pursue on a beginner level, you can definitely go with this course. But again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters related to UI UX and cover all the fundamentals. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters given in the list, and also help you in mentorship and feedback in portfolio development, and also guide you about placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.